Hello guys, welcome back to SaaS Ltd deals. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe to our channel to get the best lifetime deals on SaaS software. I'm back with another review and today I'm going to review Zebracat. So Zebracat is a tool that lets you create videos, marketing videos, and the best part is for creating videos, you do not have to shoot any videos, you do not have to hire anyone, you do not even have to edit any videos, add any footage. So you can leave all of these tasks to the AI of Zebracat. All you have to do is just provide text prompt or text ideas about the video, about the type of video that you want. You can also provide script or you can also use a blog post in order to create videos. And Zebracat is currently available on AppSumo as a lifetime deal. The regular price is over $300, but at AppSumo you are getting this tool at only $49. This is a one-time single payment, and as you can see there are already 6 reviews. All of them are 5-star reviews. So now let's have a look at all the plans and features. So you will get the video creation feature. You can remove the watermark of Zebracat. You can upload your own footage. You will get access to all the stock music. There is AI script writing. You can turn your blog post into video or ideas into video or scripts into video. And the videos that you generate on Zebracat, they are going to be 1080p in video resolution. You will get the commercial rights to your videos. There are over 20 languages on the platform. You have a very big stock video clip library, and you will also get access to ultra-realistic and standard AI voices. And these are 2 tiers that you can buy from AppSumo. The tier 1 costs $49 with 120 credits, 10 GB of storage and 1 brand kit. On the tier 2, the price is going to be $199 with 750 credits, 200 GB of cloud storage, which is massive, and you can also have 10 brand kits. So if you want to buy Zebracat on a lifetime deal from AppSumo, make sure you check the link in the description below. And if you want to buy this tool, make sure you hurry because there are only 12 to 13 days remaining. So the deal is going to end very soon. So make sure you hurry if you're interested. Now let's go to the dashboard of Zebracat. So after you log into Zebracat, you are going to get this dashboard, and it is a super simple, super user-friendly dashboard. Even a beginner wouldn't have any problem navigating on this dashboard. So here is the home section. You can see all the templates that are currently available. You can see all of your recent projects on here, which means all the videos that you create, all of your content are going to be available on this section. There is also brand kits. So in order to create videos, we can use any of these templates. As you can see, the templates are categorized. So if you click on any of this template, you can now provide all these details in order to create a video based on this template. But I'm just going to discard it. What I want to do is click on this create first video. So now there are 3 methods in order to create your video. You can provide a simple text or a prompt that can be turned into a video. So let's try this one first. So now on top, we have to provide our idea, the video idea or the prompt. So let's write one. So I'm just going to use a very basic idea that is going to be how to stay fit. And then I can choose the video format. So it could be 9:16. That is suitable for TikTok Reels, YouTube Reels. Or I can also choose this square format, that is 1:1. Or I can also go for the YouTube post or the YouTube actual video, the landscape video, that is 16:9. So I think this 1:1 Instagram post, this format is going to be good. And then I can choose the language for the video. So here are a lot of languages that are currently available. So I'm just going to keep it English American. And then I have to choose what kind of visual elements I want. So it could be AI visuals or stock library. So if I choose AI visuals, Zebracat is going to generate some images based on this prompt. And then they are going to add those images or video footage to our video. But if I do not want AI visuals, I can also opt for the stock library. So you may have already know about the stock images or stock videos, royalty-free media content that you can find on Unsplash, FreePic or a lot of other sites. So similar to those content, you can also find a stock library on Zebracat. So if you want, you can also choose this stock library in order to get realistic images as well as videos. But for this video, I'm just going to keep it AI visuals. And then I have to choose the video length, and the length cannot be specific. It is going to be a range. So it could be 5 to 10 seconds, or you could also increase it. So the maximum number of video length that is available on Zebracat is probably 120 seconds. That equals to a 2 minute of video. That is really long, especially for marketing videos. And then you can also enable this AI images or infinite zoom. And if you selected AI visuals earlier, you have to select what kind of visuals you want. It could be 3D visuals from the AI, or anime, or art style abstract. So there are a lot of options, as you can see. So what I want to use from here is the cinematic. I think this one looks the best. And then we also have some advanced settings that we can change. So now we can change the AI voice. It could be ultra realistic AI voice, or also standard AI voice that is not very realistic. And for the voice, you can also choose the gender, the tone of voice that you want. And once you select a certain tone, you can also preview the tone from here. And if you want captions with the voice, you can also enable this option. And then there are the music settings. So you can choose the mood of the music. And if you do not want music, you can simply disable it from here. And last but not least, you can also apply brand kit. If you have one, you can add that from here. So I'm just going to select this ultra realistic AI voice, and then I can choose a tone. So I'm just going to use this first tone and then click on generate scripts. Okay, so we have got this script. We have got 3 scripts from Zebracat based on the topic or the idea that we provided, and it was how to stay fit. So here is one script, and then the second one, and here is the last one. So you can also edit this script however you want. Just click on any part. You can remove any word, add more words if you want. So just like this, you can edit your script. But what I'm going to do is use this first script. So I just have to click on generate video. Okay, so we have got our video, and the first scene of this video is not really good. Since you know that it was generated by AI, that's why they have messed up the image. But there is no need to worry, we can change it. Just click on this particular scene. So since the AI image was not good enough for the first scene, I'm just going to use an image or a video from this stock library. So my prompt is already on this box according to the scene. And from here, I want to choose this one. Click on apply changes. So as you can see, this footage has now been added. Now let's play this video.
Feel the energy, the zest, the joy. Picture yourself in your favorite park, your heart pumping with joyous beats. Every jumping jack, each crunch, smiles back at the sun, embracing the joy of fitness. Fitness is a journey, a happy voyage towards your healthier self. It's not about having time, it's about making time. So, let's make time for happiness. Let's make time for health. Let's make time for you.
So as you can see, just by writing a simple prompt that was how to stay fit, we have got a very good video. And I have to say I'm super impressed with the result. But if you're not happy with your result, you have a lot of customization options. So you can customize all of these scenes. So if you click on a particular scene, you can generate another image or footage for that particular scene. You can get from stock library, or you can also upload your own footage from here. And then you can also add another scene on here. You can delete this scene. You can duplicate. You can also change the position for this particular scene. So you can take it to bottom or take it to the top. And then we have the video timeline on here. And on the left side, we have more customization options. So we can customize the voice. So if I make any changes on this script, I can just click on update voice. And according to the new script that I have wrote, Zebracat is going to update the voice. I can also change the text. So these are some text settings. I can change the text effect or the subtitle that you see on the screen. And there are also some settings such as you can change text color from here. And then you can also customize your background music for the video. So here's the music that is currently selected. You can search for a particular music from on top. You have a lot of categories for the music, and you can also select the volume for the music. And once your video is completely ready, you can just export it from this export option. So we have already tried the first feature, which is this prompt, turning a prompt or text into videos. But now I want to try this second feature, that is turning any blog post into dynamic videos. So click on this, and now let's open an article or a blog post. So here is a very simple article, how to generate leads on Salesforce. So I'm going to use this article for creating video from it. So let's see what we get. What I have to do is copy the URL of this blog post. And then I will paste the URL on this box. Then I can choose the video format, the language. I can choose the visual elements. So this time I want to choose this stock library, and then I can choose the video length. So it is going to be 10 to 20 seconds. Then there are some advanced settings that I can change, but I just want to click on generate scripts. So once again, now we have got 3 scripts. So we can choose from any of those. We can also add more sentences or remove some sentences, words, which means we can completely edit this text, edit this script. So I'm just going to use this second one. Just click on generate video. Okay, so our video is almost ready and this video is going to be 30 seconds long. You can see the timeline of the video and all the scenes on the left side. So let's play our video.
Did you know happy customers can be your best advocates? Ask for referrals and empower them to gather leads. This could be your best lead generation strategy. Also, remember to keep nurturing those leads. You want to be top of mind when they make their decision. Use the power of the internet to highlight your expertise. Network online, be social, and don't shy away from old-fashioned networking. Be creative and never give up, because the secret to successful lead generation is perseverance.
Okay, so once again, I'm super impressed with the result. I just got a full video, a 30-second long video from just a simple blog post. So that was amazing. And I think the stock footages that Zebracat have used, they are super relevant. So amazing result all around. And once again, I can customize these scenes. Just click on this. I can add another stock media from here. I can choose AI footage or AI image. I can also upload my own image. And on the left side, I can change the voice or the script, then update the voice. I can change the text effect as well as the text color and also the background music. And another way to generate video on Zebracat is that you can add your script. If you have a script ready, you can also paste that on this box. Select all the settings just like I showed you before and then click on generate video. So this way you can also generate videos from script. Overall, I have to say Zebracat is an excellent AI video creator. I have tried a lot of tools that are similar to this one, but I have not found the result to be this amazing. Both of the videos that I generated using Zebracat, both of them were amazing simply. The voiceover, the script, the footage or the AI images that have been used for those videos were simply incredible. So if you want to buy Zebracat on a lifetime deal from AppSumo, make sure you check the link in the description below. With this tool, you are going to get all these features. And these are 2 tiers that you can buy from AppSumo. And if you are not sure how the credits are going to work, let me show you a breakdown of the credit. So here is that. And keep in mind the deal is going to end in 12 to 13 days. So if you are new to AppSumo, you can get 10% off your first purchase. For that, go to the link in the description. And once you enter the link, you are going to get a pop-up like this. And on this box, you have to provide your email. Then click on unlock my 10%. And then you will get a link in your email. Go to that link and this way you can get 10%. You have to use it from AppSumo credits gift. And this 10% discount is only for new customers. You can also join our SaaS discussion group on Facebook to get latest updates on SaaS software, exciting discounts, and attractive giveaways just like this.